Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Okay Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 6 chapter number 8 Introduction to Algebra exercise 8C question 1. Classify as constants or variables, right? These are my expressions and we have to classify them as constants or variables. Okay, now you can see over here that what is a constant or what is a variable. Constant is any term that has a fixed value and variable is any term that can take up any value. Okay, constant always has a fixed value, it will not represent anything else other than its fixed value, and variable is that term that can take up any value. Okay, you can assign it any value, its value can change also. And mostly all the constants are the numbers that you see, right? And all the variables are the alphabets that you see. Okay, wherever you see x, y, z, they can take any value, fine, that is why they are variables. But if you see 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, something like this, then that is a constant because it has a fixed value, fine, its value will never change. Let's solve. I'll make two categories. In the first one we will be putting the constants and in the second one we will be putting the variables, right? So you can see now, first one is 4, again a number. If you see only a number in the expression, just put it in the constant category, you don't have to think much, right? Then you have minus 8y, minus 8y, now here you have minus 8 and y also. Forget about minus 8 for a second and think of y, it can take any value, yes or no? I can say y is 2, you can say y is 6, someone else will say y is 12, so the value will be different, right? And that value of y will multiply with minus 8 to give me the expression that I want, to give me the final value, fine. Now you can see the value of y changes, that is why this entire expression will be a variable, minus 8y. 3 upon 7, just put it in the constant category because it is again a number, right? It's a fraction, right? Don't be scared if you see fractions, if you see decimals, if you see negative numbers, all of these they have fixed value, real number, whole number, right? All of them they have fixed value. So that is why this 3 by 7 it will be going in the constant category. Okay, category of constants. Then minus 8, again put it in the constants category because it is a number, fine, negative number. Then 9x, now you see x is an alphabet, x can take any value, right? It does not have a fixed value, that value will multiply with 9 to give me a fixed value. But still the value of x is variable, yes or no? Yes, therefore I will put 9x as variable. Here AB, you don't have to think much, all of these are just alphabets, so they will go in the variable category. A can take any value, B can take any value, so the value they get after multiplying will be different as well, so that is why it's a variable. Similarly bx by y is also a variable, fine. Why? Again all of them are alphabets, you can assign any value to b, x and y. Okay, 0, what is 0? 0 is a constant. Okay, it also has a value, right? It shows what the value that is nothing, right? It represents nothing, it represents what? Absence of something, 0, but still it is representing something. It will not be more than 0, it will not be less than 0, it is a fixed value. That is why this is constant. 3x square by 2z, that is going to be a variable. Why? X and z can take any value here, that is why they are variables, right? They can take any value of their own, fine. Forget about 3 and 2, just look at this. So this is why it is a variable, alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.